Hello everyone, welcome to another Disney Plus tutorial video. Now today I will show you, can Disney Plus Hotstar be shared? So if you want to go and if you want to watch movies on 2 different or 3 different or even 4 different devices, then in this video I will show you how. So basically, as you can see right here, the Hotstar Premium members can use their accounts on 2 devices simultaneously. You are allowed to log in into your Disney Plus Hotstar account on multiple accounts. However, you can watch content on only 2 devices at a time. So this amazing feature allows you to share your account with others either for free or by splitting your price. Even if both people open the same account at the same time, there won't be any issue when streaming videos. So if you want to go and if you want to share Disney Plus Hotstar, you can share it, but you can only do it with 2 devices. So if you have 2 devices, you can do that. But as you can see, Hotstar VIP is not the same, as it does not allow the users to watch content on more than 1 device simultaneously. So make sure to know that, obviously, before going and before using the Hotstar. As you can see, the Hotstar VIP allows only 1 user at a time. The content in the Disney Plus Hotstar can be viewed only on 1 device at a time. You can open or activate your Disney Plus Hotstar account on different devices. However, watching content can only be done on 1 device at a time for a Hotstar VIP. Now you can check this in the screens you can watch on section in Disney Plus Hotstar. So that's pretty much it for the Disney Plus Hotstar. And can Disney Plus Hotstar be shared? Yes, you can actually share it, but for premium members, as you can see, 2 at a time, which is something that they allow. So if you have any questions or maybe comments, or if you want more videos just like this on Disney Plus, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.